Silent night, silent night, silent night, silent night, silent night, silent night. Boom, boom, boom. Don't ever laugh as a hearse goes by, that you may be the next to die. Your eyes fall out and your teeth decay, and that is the end of a perfect day. One night on the country railroad, there was a steam locomotive. It was by your mind. It was Wolf Railroad number 24. It was a sized big boy class 15. It was hauling a very long freight train. The engine's name was Martin. And Martin waited and waited for his driver to come along and take. Apparently, his driver did show up very late. So here he is. Well, Martin, are you ready to haul the last train? Well, great. I have to take a train down the mountain. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll be there in time. I'm gonna climb in a cab. Full steam ahead. Sure thing. Are you doing good? Are you doing? Yes, I am doing good. Thanks for reminding me, Martin. Man, these controls are getting heavy right now. Flash floods and overhead bridges. The bridge started to collapse. Soon, she was getting like. No one heard and no one saw. The bridge had collapsed. But as it was cleared up, the locomotive was laying for scrap. As the train was laying for scrap, it stayed there forever. Oh, one step at a time, and there you go. Oh, a new and stronger bridge was constructed the next year. But everything would turn out horrific. One night, two diesels named James and Nick were heading home from such a big crude oil haul. As they came towards the bridge, they heard a whistle that they didn't know before. It was there. The ghost of Martin plowed for who James and Nick. Nick was uncoupled from James and started to roll backwards to the yard. But James was left all alone. Again? Are you guys serious? I'm serious? That ghost story was amazing. I mean, it was amazing. Sing. No, it wasn't. That story took forever. I mean, it really took forever. I mean it. It took forever. Over. Wait a minute, who's that? James, what's up? I saw the ghost of Martin. The story was actually true, 100% true. Oh God, get away from that safe. Okay, I'll meet you back in Great Britain. Oh no! Well, James, you better clear the way. Okay, honk honk. But many years later, the bridge was still constructed. And Martin's ghost was still there. Nick wasn't sure if he was going to be so awesome, but his driver told him that they needed to do a few things before he could relax. So, Nick got to work. So, one day, everything changed. Oh, that must mean Jake coming back from Georgia. Wait a minute. No, you are not real. Oh, yes, I'm real. Come with me. Where are we going? The bridge was a lie. It's not constructed well. Oh. No! Oh. Ha ha ha! Wait! Get back here! Crash! And then he disappeared. But as you can see, Martin was rebuilt and not a ghost anymore. And that's how Martin was a ghost.